If you want to sell your products or services to the Indian government, then you must register at the GeM portal. But never fear, Tendersontime is here to help make that process quick, painless, and error-free. As a reliable government procurement consultant, Tendersontime simplifies the GeM registration process so you, the seller, face no confusion or delays. Unsure which documents to upload, caught in troubled waters, or frequent errors on the GeM portal? Let the Tenders experts at Tendersontime take professional care of your renewal for you. Fast process, expert assistance. Just set up once and get full support. Click the link in the description to get in touch with us and take your first step. If yes, then here's how you can get yourself enrolled or GeM seller registration process for services and goods explained with step-by-step guide. Begin by going to the GeM website, gem.gov.in. Click on Sign Up on the homepage. Choose seller or service provider from the drop-down depending on your offering. Then select the sort of business or organization who you represent. Step 1. Before we start, let's check that you are prepared with required documents list below here. When ready to go, tick all the required boxes and click Proceed. Below that are the terms and conditions. Please read all of them carefully. Check the box to accept them and click Proceed. On the first registration page, complete your own organization details to register your group and press Next. Now you'll be able to select the Aadhaar or PAN-based verification. If you choose Aadhaar, you have to fill Aadhaar number, mobile number, and tick this box. Then click Verify Aadhaar and provide the OTP that is sent to your registered mobile number. If want to use PAN, then first select this. Fill your PAN card details, date of birth, and click to verify PAN. Now fill your PAN registered mobile number. Click Send OPT and check it. Now choose your role within the organization and then click Next. Now type your email ID and ask for OTP. Validate OTP. Click on Verify OTP. You can see here your ID verified successfully message. Click on Next. Now enter your user ID and set your password. Then click Create Account. That's it. Congratulations. Your registration as seller on GeM is complete. You'll be taken back to your seller dashboard to complete your profile setup. For expert help at any stage, connect with Tendersontime today. Link in the description. Thanks for watching this video, and bye for now.